Meaning of Grand Marnier.
Grand Marnier.
Grand Marnier.
Grand Marnier.
Grand Marnier. Grand Marnier is a type of premium orange-flavored liqueur that originated in France. It is made from a combination of cognac brandy, distilled essence of bitter orange, and sugar. The liqueur has a distinctive rich and bittersweet flavor, with subtle hints of caramel and vanilla. It can be enjoyed on its own or used as a key ingredient in a variety of cocktails and desserts. Grand Marnier is often considered a luxurious and sophisticated drink, and it has been a popular choice among cocktail enthusiasts and chefs for over 150 years.